Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe first. Now let's begin this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you gonna change this green apple. Let's begin our tutorial. First bring the one image. I already have one image ready which has a green apple on it. Now, first what I need to do is I need to have a selection of this apple, green apple. So in the Photoshop 2021, you go to the select tool on the top bar, and from here you can see the subject. If you click on the subject, the Photoshop will automatically select your subject. Wait for a while. Here you can see that the Photoshop is automatically selected my subject. So, and also you can notice that some green part has not selected properly. So what I do is I go back to the select again, and I go to modify and expand my selection a little bit wider. So I choose 25 pixels. I leave it as it is and press it OK. Now you may have noticed that my selection has been expanded by 25 pixel outside. So once I have made the selection, I go and select the properties tools. Here in the layer, I select the property. From here I go and select the hue and saturation. Once I select the hue and saturation, you can notice that the hand, I select this hand and pick my apple color. Once I do this, I go and select this one. This will help me that whatever I change will be changed in this layer or the below of this layer. So now I'm gonna change some hue and bring it to the red. So you may notice that as soon as I slide this hue, the apple color is changing. Okay, and the saturation I make it little up, and lightness little, yeah, lightness is I think lightness should be 0. Looks quite better. Okay, this is the step how you change the green apple into the red apples. If you like my tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.